I show my settings at the end. This clip really demonstrates how awesome the RPM filter is. Thanks. Hey guys, thanks for watching to the end of the video. These are my settings on BetaFlight 4.1, latest version, latest stable version. Doesn't really matter. My last video had how I had RC6. It was only really a few bug fixes. So anyway, I'll start off with my PID settings. These are the PIDs I like. You can really take these bits with a grain of salt. I like my D-gain 40 with Demon off. That's I find that gets rid of jitters. I like my feed forward around 50 because I feel like that dulls some of my sporadic movements, that it just makes it look a bit smoother. This is for freestyle. So I kind of feel like that works. They are trying to implement something with auto smoothness here. As you can see, I have that cranked up, but to be honest, I couldn't really see that making a huge difference at all. So anyway, one thing I do think makes a big difference is Iterm relaxing that to RPY and setting the cutoff to 11. 20 was way too high for me, and I was getting some really weird issues. So definitely try these settings. I feel like it's a lot better, in my personal opinion. And then Iterm rotation and feedback compensation. That's just something I always turn on. I find that I get some better performance on this. So yeah, these are my filter settings. I've been playing. So for my gyro low pass, this is pretty good. I haven't had any issues with this. I recommend. I'm pretty sure most people can run these settings, but still be careful. Obviously, I'm running the RPM filter, and that's how I have my notch filter set up. So you can copy that. Joshua Bardwell sets his notch filter range down to low, which I disagree with. I think that it should be medium. I don't know. In his video, to be honest, I don't think his quad was flying that great. I think it flew not that awesome. I think my settings are definitely better. No offense to Joshua Bardwell. So yeah, I recommend you copy these. And then these are my D-term low pass settings. I do turn off the second low pass. I find that actually causes more problems than solutions. So I just always recommend turning this off no matter what. And then for here, I have, this is something I'm still playing around with. My most recent flight, once my propellers got bent a little bit, I was getting a tiny bit of, my motors were getting pretty hot. So I've tried lowering this down. This is now 125. Just be really careful with this setting. I would actually recommend leaving D-term low pass filters completely stock if you're going to do this. So yeah, those are my settings. I hope you guys enjoyed. It's pretty much the same as my last video, but I just thought I'd chuck them in here just in case you missed it. Thank you so much for watching. I think the RPM filter is bloody amazing. Tell me what you think of my flying. I've been switching between remotes, so my smoothness isn't really there. I've been switching between the Nirvana and the X7. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye bye.